Confused about which air fryer to buy online? In this video, we compared the top customer-rated air fryer brands: Inalsa, Instant Pot, American Micronic, Philips, Prestige, and Pigeon. For Prestige, many customers gave low ratings and reported heating issues, so we avoid this brand. Next, Pigeon also got negative reviews as reported quality issues, so we avoid this brand also. You can check these screenshots directly from Amazon customer ratings. Here you see the top air fryer brands trusted by buyers: Inalsa, Instant Pot, American Micronic, and Philips. Now we will compare each one. First, Inalsa product features with ratings. Then, Instant Pot product features with ratings. Next, American Micronic product features with ratings. And finally, Philips product features with ratings. So let's see the complete brand comparison of air fryer. First, let's start with capacity. For most Indian kitchens, 6 to 6.5 liters is perfect for families of 4 to 6 members. Inalsa and American Micronic lead with 6.5 liters. Instant Pot offers 6 liters and Philips has 6.2 liters, all enough for fries, chicken or paneer tikka at one go. Next is the design type. All 4 brands follow the basket style air fryer, which is easier to clean, needs less oil, and gives that crisp golden texture without deep frying. Now comes power, which directly affects cooking speed. American Micronic and Philips top with 1700 watts, Inalsa runs on 1600 watts, and Instant Pot 1500 watts. Higher wattage gives faster preheating and crispier fries in less time. Moving on to temperature control. All models allow 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, giving flexibility for everything, from baking muffins to roasting chicken wings or reheating pizza perfectly. Next is preset cooking modes. Inalsa and American Micronic offer 8 presets, Philips gives 7, and Instant Pot includes 6 modes. Preset buttons make it easy. Just tap and let it cook automatically. Airflow decides how evenly food cooks. Instant Pot stands out with 360-degree even crisp tech, ensuring uniform browning. Inalsa and Philips use rapid air, and American Micronic's Turbo Flow gives high-speed circulation for faster, crunchier results. Next, let's check what's inside. Inalsa, Instant Pot, and Philips come with non-stick baskets for easy cleaning. American Micronic upgrades it with steel plus non-stick coat, making it stronger and longer lasting. Cleaning is no longer a pain because all 4 models are dishwasher safe, so you can remove the basket and wash it hassle-free after every use. Safety always matters in kitchen appliances. Inalsa and Philips include auto cutoff to prevent overheating. Instant Pot has overheat protection, and American Micronic features cool touch housing, which keeps the outer surface safe to handle even when cooking. Next is external body strength. Instant Pot wins with steel finish. American Micronic has SS Plus ABS, while Inalsa uses plastic and Philips ABS. If you want sturdier build, go for metal-bodied options. The most important factor: how good are the fries? Instant Pot and American Micronic deliver excellent crispness, while Inalsa gives good results and Philips is average in this batch. Build-wise, Instant Pot feels premium, American Micronic and Inalsa are good, while Philips is slightly lighter in design, better for smaller kitchens. Now warranty support. Inalsa, American Micronic and Philips provide 2 years, while Instant Pot has 1 year, though backed by strong brand reliability and customer support. Real user feedback seals the deal. Instant Pot dominates with 4.8 stars, 31,000 plus reviews. Customers love its performance, crispness, and 360-degree airflow. American Micronic follows with 4.5 stars, 2,000 plus reviews, for excellent frying results. Inalsa shows 4.4 stars, 2,000 plus reviews, praised for easy cleaning and value for money. Philips has 4.3 stars, 1,000 plus reviews, but mixed views on build and fries quality. Finally, pricing and offers. We've added buy links below for Inalsa, Instant Pot, and American Micronic, all with high ratings and proven reliability. Philips is skipped due to fewer reviews and average feedback. Finally, if you're curious about the latest features, models or pricing, just check out the link in the description. Finally, if you're curious about the latest features, models or pricing, just check out the link in the description.